Wanna know how to add characters in Toca Boca world? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Toca Boca application and make sure you start everything up and set it up. And you should be under this interface once you have built your home and your character. So now once you're here, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing this icon right here. You can just simply select that. And now once you have selected this icon, as you can see right here, your character should load up just like this. Now you're going to simply add them to your house, just like this right here. Now it should give you a proper furniture, etc. if it's your first time. Now you can just simply add your items similar way as well by selecting on the top right side. So you can also add more members, so you can just simply drag and drop just like this right here and start your story or anything that you like. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.